Hey there, Crocheting Hat fam. If you're trying to make one of our North Ferry beanies, either from our kit or from our pattern, this is a video helping you start a hat. So grab your chunky knit yarn, grab your crochet hook size that you prefer, somewhere between 10 and 11 millimeters, and let's get started. All right, once you have the slip stitch on your hook, you're gonna chain 5 times. This is technically row 1 of the hat. You're going to join the ends together by crocheting into the first stitch you made, and that is row 1 and the beginning of your hat. Make sure you pull tight after you join it so you don't have a hole at the top of your hat. Row 2 starts with a chain 1, and then you're going to single crochet into each stitch of that loop and chain 1 after each stitch. So you're going to single crochet into the loop, do a regular single crochet stitch, and then chain 1. You'll do this 6 times in total to finish the row 2. Once you have the ability to go through both the front and the back of the stitch, I recommend doing it. This will avoid having lines on the underside of the hat because you may want to flip up a cuff, and I prefer the style without the lines. So make sure to go through both loops where you can. It might be hard to do in the chain 1 stitch, which is okay, but everywhere else try and get through both the front and the back. Once you're finished with row 2, you should have 6 points around your circle. So there's 1 point here, 2nd point, 3rd point, 4th point, 5th point, and the 6th is still on the hook.